As we age, it's natural to notice changes in our sexual life. What many don't realize is that after 50, it's entirely possible to improve your sexual health and increase pleasure through simple choices, particularly in what you eat. Our diet has a direct impact on our energy levels, blood circulation, and, importantly, our sexual health. Certain foods can become powerful allies in this journey, generating more energy, vitality, and even helping to improve sexual performance. If you're looking to feel more active and confident with a fulfilling sex life, the answer might be right on your plate. As a physician with years of experience in men's health and sexual medicine, I can confidently say that proper nutrition can have a profound impact on sexual well-being, helping to restore balance and self-esteem. The best part? We're talking about simple, accessible foods that are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. When you reach 50 or beyond, you might notice that your energy, vitality, and sexual health aren't quite what they used to be. This is completely normal. As we age, our bodies go through various changes, including a reduction in certain hormones, like testosterone, which directly affects sexual desire and performance. However, this doesn't mean you should simply accept these changes. There are ways to regain control of your sexual health, and one of the most effective and affordable methods might be through your diet. Let's explore some foods that can be especially beneficial for your sexual health after 50. These natural powerhouses can improve circulation, increase energy, and even act as natural aphrodisiacs. Avocados are truly remarkable when it comes to improving sexual health. Rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, avocados help improve blood circulation, which is fundamental for sexual function. Good circulation is crucial for maintaining strong erections, and avocados contribute to this naturally. Moreover, avocados are an excellent source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that can help improve testosterone levels, potentially increasing libido and sexual desire. What makes avocados particularly special is their high magnesium content. This mineral helps relax muscles and relieve stress, another crucial factor for a healthy sex life. When your body is relaxed and free from tension, pleasure tends to increase naturally. Try adding avocado to your morning toast, salads, or even smoothies for an easy nutritional boost. The secret of seafood oysters and other seafood, including shrimp and shellfish, are renowned for their high zinc content. Zinc is an essential mineral for testosterone production, the primary hormone responsible for male sexual health. Low zinc levels can lead to decreased testosterone, directly affecting libido and sexual performance. Additionally, oysters are rich in dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with sexual pleasure and overall well-being. But it's not just about oysters. All seafood can contribute to better sexual health. Fish like salmon and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which improve blood flow and can enhance sexual response. These healthy fats also help reduce inflammation in the body, which can interfere with sexual function. Understanding how to maintain sexual health as we age is an important yet often overlooked aspect of overall wellness. Let's explore some natural foods and lifestyle changes that can help enhance your sexual health, with a special focus on those over 50. Many people don't realize that common foods like almonds, macadamia nuts, chia, and pumpkin seeds can significantly impact their sexual health. These foods are treasure troves of essential fatty acids, including omega-3, which plays a vital role in improving blood circulation, a crucial factor for sexual function. What makes nuts particularly special is their high content of arginine, an amino acid that helps produce nitric oxide. This natural compound works wonders by dilating blood vessels and enhancing circulation, which is essential for maintaining healthy erections. Additionally, these foods are packed with